Guangzhou SIPUXIN. As a cosmetics machinery manufacturer and machinery manufacturing, we rely on vacuum emulsifiers, liquid washing mixing pots, and perfume filling machines as the core equipment. Participated in the Dubai Beauty World Exhibition in 2025. As a source manufacturer, we know the importance of brand image. At this exhibition, we showcased through our carefully designed booth and professional explanations. We showed international customers the quality and strength of made in China. Our new equipment, with its high efficiency, stability, and environmental protection, has won the wide recognition of international customers. This not only improves our brand image, but also made customers more recognize our machines. During the 3-day exhibition, we not only showcased our independently developed smart equipment, but also through in-depth communication with global customers. We achieved the improvement of team collaboration ability and personal professional quality. Our vacuum emulsifier attracted the attention of many customers at the exhibition. The equipment adopts advanced vacuum technology, which can achieve efficient emulsification, ensuring the product's fine texture and stability. For example, a Middle East customer said that our emulsifier can significantly improve the stability and shelf life of products. This is the key factor for them to choose us. Our fully automatic perfume manufacturing machine and fully automatic perfume filling machine, with their high efficiency and precise production capacity, have won the favor of Middle East customers. These devices can realize the automated production of perfume, high production efficiency, reduce labor costs for the Middle East market, provide high-quality production solutions. As a source manufacturer, we have independent R&D capabilities. We can quickly respond to market and technological changes. For example, our vacuum emulsifier adopts the latest intelligent control system, which can automatically adjust the emulsification time and temperature, ensuring product consistency and stability. By optimizing production processes and supply chain management, reduce production costs, providing customers with cost-effective equipment and solutions. We can provide customers with OEM and ODM equipment production solutions. Facing the fierce competition in the international market, we will continue to increase investment in technological innovation. In terms of vacuum emulsification technology, we will develop more efficient and energy-saving emulsification equipment to meet the market's demand for high-quality cosmetics. In terms of liquid washing and stirring pots, we will explore intelligent and automated production models to improve production efficiency and reduce production costs. In 2025, the Dubai Beauty World Exhibition, it is not only an opportunity to showcase Chinese manufacturing strength, but also a chance to learn international advanced technology and expand the global market. Through this exhibition, we have a deep understanding of the changes and challenges in the international market. From basic skincare to cosmetics and perfumes, to beauty instruments, the market is clearly segmented. This requires us to continuously innovate products and services and improve competitiveness. We also saw that the huge potential of made in China in the international market. In the future, we will continue to uphold the concept of innovation, cooperation, and win-win. Through close cooperation with local partners, we will share market resources and complementary advantages and contribute Chinese strength to the development of global beauty industry and jointly promote the development of the global beauty industry.